All right, in this video I'm going to be solving another SAT practice test. So this question says the product of a number x and 4 decreased by 12. Which of the following is an expression for the statement above? The first thing is, like I said in the previous video, there are cases whereby you have to interpret it from the middle, from the last statement, or from the first statement. So the first thing we need to do is the product of a number x and 4. So the product in this case, the number has been given to be x. The product will now be what? X times 4. And that will give us what? 4x. Now we are told that it is decreased by 12. So the decrease basically here will be what? 4x minus what? Minus 12. Because this product is decreased by what? 12. So which of the following is an expression for the statement above? So the correct option to this one is actually D. So it's just a straight to the point question. That's 4x minus 12. All right. So we'll see in another video of this practice test. Thank you.